All right, collective. Let's see. What are some messages that the divine has for you today? Can we get 3 cards for the collective? Ooh. We got 2. One more, please. All right, the divine is telling you that it's someone in your it's someone in your energy that you have rejected or left alone recently. You burnt bridges with this person. You found out they were disloyal. You turned your back on them. This could be an old ex who was very clingy and stuck in their old ways. Spirit is telling you to slow down and take some time to yourself. Get out in nature and ground yourself.